Wabarakatuh. I feel heavenly, satisfied and contented to witness this 40-day workshop on intellectual development as a parent. It was indeed an exciting journey, not only for my daughter, but for me as well. I congratulate Dr. Mohammad Shoaib and his team for their tremendous work. No doubt they have given their 100% to this platform, which to me is the need of the hour and is up to the minute for our society. I think all of you present here could not agree more that the confidence with which these young minds are ventilating themselves, not only ventilating or airing themselves, but the way in which they are carrying themselves is astonishing, because I feel it is lacking in most of the people, including myself, because इस time मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है somehow I am feeling nervous. So for this confidence, this assurance, Dr. Shoaib, I applaud him. He has given ability to the children to think differently, to think uniquely, to think individually, and that is very remarkable. I would like to add few lines here of famous poet Khalil Gibran in his book, The Prophet. You can give them their love. You can give them their love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. हम बच्चों को अपना प्यार दे सकते हैं, लेकिन अपने thoughts नहीं, क्योंकि they have their own thoughts. I, as a parent and as a child psychologist, which I am working from last 9 years in Doda, the best thing about this workshop, which I personally feel, and I think most of the parents sitting here would agree with me, is that my daughter, and I think all the children, they enjoy doing this workshop. They love doing this workshop. They are happy doing this workshop. And that is very important. The happiness of the children for every parent out there is very crucial, because I think these days there are very few people who enjoy, who are happy doing what they do. So their happiness is very important for us. In the lines of Oscar Wilde, the best way to make child good, the best way to make children good is to make them happy. So I think Dr. Mohammad Shoaib Balwan has done a remarkable job. I would like to commence my note on this. I would like to commence my thought on this note, that indeed this workshop has given a roadmap to all of us. But we, as parents, not only as parents, but as society, should come forward to achieve this and to make this more strong. And we could do this only by boosting, by motivating the fine, the amicable and trustworthy characters like Dr. Mohammad Shoaib Balwan to work further on such products. I am grateful to you all for your kind attention. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Thank you.